Hi everybody, welcome to Linda Liu IP course. It's my honor to speak here and I'm very glad to share my topic with you. Today's topic is the supplementary experimental data in semaglutide case before the Supreme People's Court of China. This case has gone through proceedings before CNIPA, the Beijing Intellectual Property Court, and the Supreme People's Court. Whether to accept supplementary experimental data was a key point of contention at each stage. The Supreme People's Court ultimately accepted the patentee's supplementary experimental data related to semaglutide compound and revoked the CNIPA's earlier decision declaring the patent invalid. On May 11, 2026, the CNIPA re-declared this patent valid. In this case, the petitioner cited liraglutide as a closest prior art to demonstrate that semaglutide has a longer duration of action compared to liraglutide. The patentee submitted supplementary experimental data during the invalidation proceedings relating to both the DBDB mouse and the mini-pig studies based on the content described in the specification. The judicative bodies reached different conclusions regarding these two sets of supplementary experimental data. Generally, for the patentee's DBDB mouse and mini-pig data, neither set was accepted by the CNIPA. The DBDB data was accepted by the Beijing IP Court, but the mini-pig data was not. Both sets were accepted by the Supreme Court. Consequently, we will summarize some subtle differences in standards for accepting supplementary experimental data in different adjudicative bodies in China. CNIPA requires disclosure of the specific compound's effect before accepting supplementary data for that effect. Beijing IP Court believes that if the specification discloses a technical effect for a generic formula, supplementary data for specific compounds should be accepted. Similar to the Beijing IP Court, the Supreme Court believes that if the specification discloses a technical effect for a generic formula or broader scope, supplementary data for specific or narrow scopes should be accepted. That's all for today's topic, and thank you for listening. I hope this could be helpful when considering to submit supplementary experimental data in China. If you have any questions, please always feel free to contact us. See you next time.